Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to host your meetings with Microsoft Teams in Calendly. Click on the meeting that you want to host it with or create the meeting and you will have the section here that shows you all the details for your meeting. Now, you want to either change the section for location or you want to click the drop down where it says location and just basically select whatever you want, right? So in this section, I'm going to just click the drop down where it says all options, and here you will find the Microsoft Teams. Click on that. Here you will need to connect Microsoft Teams to Calendly, so you need to click on that and sign in with your Microsoft account. You will need to go ahead and just follow the instruction here to integrate. As you can see, it says integrate now. You click on that, and of course it's going to take you to where you need to sign into your Microsoft account to be able to do that. Once you do that, guys, you'll be able to link your Microsoft Teams to Calendly, and once you're done, click on save changes, and that's all that you have to do.